Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am sharing with you holiday fashions by SHEIN from their SHEIN holiday sale. If you're interested in seeing these pieces for the 50 plus, curvy and plus size woman, just keep on watching. SHEIN is the sponsor of today's video. Now you can stay savvy and shop SHEIN by searching this search code EG976 and use this coupon code 24SBSKIMDAY to save up to 90% off. We're going to start with this beautiful dress, which is the SHEIN Lady Plus Size Satin Asymmetrical Hemline Dress with oblique shoulder design and clinched waist. This dress is perfect for the holidays and it's perfect for any formal occasions. I selected this dress in champagne, but it also comes in the colors black, green, and red. Each piece that you will see today, I ordered in the 18 3XL. To accessorize with this dress, you don't need too many pieces. Grab a cute pair of heels, some beautiful earrings, and you are good to go. I absolutely love this dress. Next, to pair with this dress is a beautiful SHEIN Plus Fuzzy Panel Waterfall Collar Belted Coat. The material on this jacket is very nice. The fur does not look cheap at all, and it fits amazing. It is true to size. This jacket has a sash so you can wear it belted. It has buttons down the front. I absolutely love the fur on the collar and the sleeves. This coat has pockets, which I absolutely love. And I was very surprised that this coat or jacket is lined. Love it. If you're looking for a jacket to level up your fashions this winter, this is the one for you. Now the next item is a woman's plus size evening dress, glittered long sleeve V-neck slim long dress, formal gown. This comes in army green and a green, which is like a hunter green, and this beautiful blue. I love that this dress accentuates your curves. The long sleeves are gorgeous. They're very comfortable. I absolutely love the V-neck and how the dress gathers at the bust line, gets slim in the waist, and then comes and curves around your hips. Very comfortable gown that is perfect for this time of year or even other formal occasions. This gown is definitely a must-have to add in your wardrobe. Now this dress had me at its color, and it is the SHEIN Slayr plus size woman's asymmetrical hem textured fabric long sleeve skinny fitted elegant dress. Now when you walk in the room with this outfit on, you will light up the room like the sun. This is beautiful. This dress is everything. It hugs you in all the right places. I absolutely love the sleeves. I love the neckline because you can wear it on your shoulders, or if you want to, you can wear it off the shoulders. It's entirely up to you. It has long sleeves, and look at the cape on the sleeves. Now I think I'm going to pin the sleeves some type of way because the sleeves kept falling, but I absolutely love this dress and cannot wait to wear it out. So pretty, and I absolutely love the color. Now you know your girl had to throw in something red, right? And it is this beautiful SHEIN plus size woman's solid color minimalist casual long sleeve top or jacket and pants set. Now this set comes in several different colors like blue, black, but I chose the red, or should I say burgundy. I can see wearing this to work in the office or out on the town. Now I am a girl that loves a good pantsuit, and this one right here is very sexy. I absolutely love the bell bottoms, which is something I've never been crazy about, okay? It is literally perfect and so comfortable. It fits so well. I highly recommend this pantsuit. Now the one piece that did not work for me, and I'm so disappointed, is this SHEIN plus size woman's furry patchwork asymmetrical shoulder long sleeve casual blouse. And this blouse comes in a couple of colors as well, like this white, brown, and what didn't work for me is it's like the blouse is cut off. It needs to be longer in the body of this blouse. The quality of the fur is great around the neckline, as well as the blouse itself. It's a beautiful blouse, but it did not work for me. Now check out the SHEIN holiday sale. I will have all of the information linked in my description box below, as well as all of the outfits that you have seen today. And don't forget to use the coupon code to save up to 90% off. Thank you, SHEIN, for the opportunity to share these beautiful pieces with my blessed family. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click the bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here on Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly thankful, grateful, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing, blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.